broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track. Talk myself in.
Just a brown grain mustard,
Yeah,
like
stone
a
grain mustard,
yeah,
and a little bit of demi-glace reduction.
Oh man.
fabulous.
Stop. Okay, I'll mumble my way through it. We're chewing. Go ahead.
So our friend, cellar mistress, Grace Hoffman.
Oh, tell Grace hi. Hi, Grace.
No, you tell her. She's
Hi,
right
Grace.
there.
She says, what does Leslie like to drink when you relax?
Anything.
Do you get to relax?
You know, this is relaxing. This is my, you know.
But I mean, you're plugged in everywhere. I mean,
I travel a lot. I'm on the road. I'd say sometimes 20 days a month, sometimes 5, sometimes it just depends upon what we're doing. For example, we just launched a 20-city national tour for Thirsty Girl. Sorry, do I have mustard on my my lips? I did a special with Jacques Pepin, and I love Jacques Pepin, and I did a PBS special with him. Sorry, I'm bouncing around here.
No, that's
I did a PBS special with Jacques, and it was a half-hour live show, and we had all this food coming in and wine, and I'm monitoring everything. And Jacques is just fabulous and oblivious, and he's drinking and eating and telling me all these amazing stories. And he's got a big honking piece of food right here in his teeth. And it was killing me. I wanted to just reach over and take it out.
Well, if I have some, you can do that.
So I do travel. I do, I do get a chance to relax. And I have to tell you, I like beer.
Amen, right? I go to Jack and Tony's, you know what I have? Yeah, Racer 5.
I like beer, and I'm actually going to Oktoberfest, the 200th anniversary of Oktoberfest.
Really?
I'm doing a weekend in Munich coming up in October, so you'll see lots of video and lots of stuff on Thirsty Girl. BeAThirstyGirl.com is our website.
Wow.
But we also are doing a 20-city tour for Be a Thirsty Girl, and we're going to drink. We're drinking, when we're not drinking our fabulous sponsor wines, which we can talk about a little bit, but we are. Retiring to the bar afterwards, and I'm drinking a little bourbon, or I'm drinking a little beer.
I like it.
I have to admit.
No,
Stella is my girlfriend. Let me just say Stella is my girlfriend.
Well, we did my wife does the taste that event coming up in September over at McMurray Ranch, and Stella was there last year. Fabulous. What a great addition. That was an incredible, that really worked pretty well.
And it's a wonderful beer because Stella Artois is so refreshing. Again, I say refreshing a lot, but it really does. You just you gravitate toward it. It's not like having a meal sometimes.
No,
some beers
some of those
are like
pretty heavy. You don't want to. Yeah. No, I like that.
Yeah, this is true.
Isn't that wonderful? Oh my God.
And with
Grace also says for him, 84 today. He's celebrating his birthday, watching you.
No way.
And he says hello.
Wow.
Can we sing happy birthday to him?
Absolutely.
Okay, hang on.
Wait, I'll sing along too.
What's his name?
Let's see.
You remind me of Sarah when I do the Today Show, and I'll be back on September 22nd, or September 21st. Sorry, I'm going to be back on, and we're going to have a restaurant situation, and Kathy Lee and Hoda are going to be on the set, and I'm going to pretend to be in a restaurant and help them order wine off a wine list. So, but we have Sarah there, and she's like taking questions from the internet, reading. So you're like Sarah on the Today Show.
You kind of look
You're
like
not
a
as
Sarah.
cute, but. All right, what's his name? Oh, all right. Well, we're gonna sing him happy birthday.
Yeah, we should.
Okay. Mark? Maurice.
Maurice.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maurice. Happy birthday to you.
Good job. That's good.
One of my many hidden talents.
Yeah, you can sing. I can hear.
And I can put both legs behind my head at the same time.
Oh. Okay, we're going to a commercial right now. We'll be right back.
Sorry, Grace. I'm sorry, Maurice. Sorry for that.
And he's how old? 81? 84? Man, he can do anything. At 84, you can do anything. Think about that.
One of the first times I met Robert Mondavi, it was amazing.
Wow.
And when I had first started in the business, and back when I was young, and there were very few women. I mean, now thank God, there's more and more women doing what I do, and I just remember meeting Mondavi, and the first thing he did was plant a big kiss on my lips, and I'm tall. I mean, I'm a big tall girl, so he was
really tall.
I was, he was reaching and I was bending, and I thought to myself, he's 80, or whatever age he was, he can do whatever he wants.
Absolutely.
Go for it.
Yeah, what are you going to get in trouble for? I mean,
No,
come on.
I loved it.
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
Oh, I love it. Yeah.
It was an honor.
So I get in trouble and I'm not old enough. So it's not my problem. Oh well.
This is delicious,
So
though.
this really excellent, superb. I mean,
How does somebody do this at home?